Jericho, best keep daw ang relasyon kay Janine. Ramdam na ramdam ang pagmamahal ng pamilya ng actress. Nagiba ang direksyon ni Jericho Rosales kung noon ay binalak niyang mag-career sa abroad. Hindi na ngayon. Anya dahil lang yun sa galit at gigil, kasama na ang angst at frustration sa takbo ng kanyang career na paulit-ulit ang ginagawa. Kahapon ay sinagot ng magaling na actor ang mga tanong namin sa media junket para sa finale episodes ng pinag-uusapang drama series na Lavender Fields na pinagbibidahan ni na Jody Santa Maria and Janine Gutierrez. I had a lot of like angst and galit and giggle and frustration with my career. And you know, I couldn't blame anyone else but myself. You know, you offered to travel, and my greatest frustration was not going for my dreams, which are films. But the contracts were always there. ABS contracts, you know, easy money. It's always easy. Pasok ka lang sa teleserye. Kabisado ko na yan. It went on for years and years and years. Kumpisal na Eko sa ilang kaharap na entertainment writer. Meanwhile, my dream was like, di na naman niya ginawa. Referring to himself, he said he would do it. So I had to do the work. Finding a team, finding people, finding stories, finding the right people to work with, producers, directors, and writers. Spent years, including the pandemic. And then now, I said, balik na ako. Pagbalik ko, may Lavender Fields. Then my films. Okay, let's move muna natin to. Let's give way to working with Jody and Janine, Edo, and anyone else. Sabi niya in a nutshell sa mga naging desisyon niya noon na tuparin ang kanyang mga gustong gawin sa career. Sa ngayon, wala na siyang galit bilang isang actor. Wala na yon. I am not angry anymore. As an actor, I was like, you weren't giving your dream a chance. That's why you are frustrated. I was self-sabotaging na on the set. Parang mabait akong tao, but sometimes masungit na ako. Minsan wala ako sa mood. Tama na. Dati, cut off na, uwi na ako. My motorbike, umalis na ako. Because I started to hate everything. Pagkukwento pa niya sa pinagdaanan. It was my 67th burnout. I was so jazzed and engulfed in fear of. And then my friend Kim Jones, ex-wife, my very good friend now. It's like, why don't you give your dreams a chance? You don't need this big house. You have everything that you need. You're in your prime and everything. And I was like, let's go. That's what we did. We started learning to produce everything together. I am the happiest. It's like my mission in life. Yung sinabi ko doon sa team ko, my mission in life is to be the happiest actor I can be. Easy, right? But how? Every time I do film pitching, that's my goal as a company. How do you do that? By working with my friend, working on my own concept, working on my own time, and working on the things I want to do. And I want to work with the best. So I work a lot of years trying to find the answer. Where can I find happiness in my job? And getting to know myself was the key. And saying yes to my dream was the key, no matter how hard it was. Mahabang paglalahad pa ng actor na naging effective talaga sa Lavender Fields bilang si Tyrone. Masaya na siya sa kasalukuyan pero andun pa rin anya ang mga pagsubok. Challenges was always there. Paano natin gagawin to? But I have a great team behind me. In fact, noong New Year, nakasama niya ang pamilya ni Janine. I was with my family. You know, my family is very dysfunctional. Hiwa-hiwalay kami. I have to go there. But fun also. I was with Janine's family. They invited me over. So happy. Little family things. Nice to have that feeling of family. Different dynamic. at naramdaman niya ang pagmamahal ng pamilya ng actress. They're very sweet. They're very loving and kind and tender and close, imperfect. Just like tayong lahat, but perfect. So ayon, in a way, there's love and acceptance and a family of artists also. Mixed people in the industry, but I love her siblings and her parents also. Pero ina-expect niya ba ang happiness na to in terms of love? You have to make yourself happy, kailangan. At isa raw ang relasyon niya sa actress sa Best Gifts of 2024. I don't force that. You know, love takes on many different forms. And I wasn't expecting naman na Janine and I would meet and starting dating and would come to a good place. So parang it's very light. It's always been light that I would not expect things to be. So light and easy, just breezy. Parang ganon. So it's nice gift. I appreciate it. One of the best gifts last year. At maraming happy na very vocal sa echo sa relasyon kay Janine na parang first time sa actress. Nakilala ko muna siya as an artist muna. She's very dedicated and committed to her job. I guess because she became from a line of professional actors, not just professionals but legends in the industry. She got that discipline and she started late. Diba? But wow, her professionalism is so infectious that it was a good start for me kasi kababalik ko lang sa teleserye and I see how she's on fire. She should know, talagang aararuhin niya lahat ng roles na darating sa kanya. So I love that about her. I love her personality, her as a person. She's very loving, ate, loves herself and loves her craft. We share a lot of things about the craft and films and everything that we can digest in terms of not just content but films, TV and shows, whatever. So yeah, my artist loves her. That's great. As a person, we really get along. Things are so light, we're like a team. She's fun, not just on the set, but off screen. So ayun nga guys, ramdam na ramdam ni Jericho ang pagmamahal ng pamilya ni Janine at halatang botong-boto talaga sila sa aktor. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.